If you're facing issues with Instagram not responding on your PC, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting steps to help you get Instagram back up and running smoothly. First, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing Instagram to not respond. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps resolve the problem. It's crucial to check for device updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with apps like Instagram. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the app's functionality, so turning them off may help with Instagram responsiveness. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Instagram's official support channels for further assistance. Their support team may be able to provide additional guidance and help troubleshoot the problem effectively. By following these steps, you can hopefully address the issue of Instagram not responding on your PC and continue enjoying the platform without any interruptions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope these tips help you resolve the unresponsive Instagram issue on your PC. Stay tuned for more tech-related content and troubleshooting guides.